What's up, everybody? Good morning. Here is another voiceover because, yeah, I just live on voiceovers these days because my background ain't cute. Anyway, so I am doing a wash day. As I said in my previous video, I'm going to be keeping you guys very updated in the next couple of months on my hair journey as I try to recover the hair that I've lost. So I started off by detangling my hair. It was absolutely moist, soft, moisturized, so I didn't need to put anything on it before I comb my hair. But I do say do not detangle dry hair. If your hair is dry and you need to detangle it, take a leave-in conditioner, take a moisturizer, moisturize that hair, then detangle the hair, because we all know that dry hair breaks. It was time to shampoo my hair using the D&L 3-in-1 moisturizing shampoo. Right now I was drenching my hair in water and I was realizing how thin my ends had actually gotten. Postpartum and breakage and all of that had really taken over my life. Anyway, we're gonna correct that in the next few months. But yeah, I was drenching my hair in water and then I was gonna put the shampoo in my hair. As we all know, the first lather is not as lathery, if that's the word, because you still have dirt in your hair. But from the second, third, and fourth lather, that's when you start to see shampoo putting. From putting the shampoo on your hair the second and third time, that's when you start to see the shampoo lather up to its full potential. Don't talk about this deep conditioner enough, but if you're struggling with dry hair, I really do advise that you get this really affordable deep conditioner by Dark and Lovely, the cholesterol. It is fantastic at moisturizing the hair and leaving the hair feeling so moisturized and tangle free. So if you've never given this deep conditioner a try, I advise that you do give it a try. Okay, you won't regret it at all. So I put the deep conditioner in my hair, put a plastic bag, and then I took a shower. And after that was about 5-10 minutes later, then I rinsed it out. It's been like an hour 30 minutes. I had to get to mumming and mending the house, but now I'm back. I put this Cream of Nature argan oil from Morocco leave-in conditioner because it has a bit of protein, and then I topped that up with the D&L Lovely Papaya Hair Treat because that's full moisture. I just wanted that moisture protein balance in my leave-in conditioner. Okay, I went on to comb my hair and then I moisturized it. Guys, I know that I'm currently working with Dark & Lovely, but I cannot rave this product enough. The Dark & Lovely Protective Relief on my scalp. It makes my scalp feel amazing. And it's so easy to apply because of the nozzle. I literally just like squeeze it into my hair without having to open lines and struggle with the lines and rub it in. And my scalp feels amazing. My scalp feels amazing after this. So please do, okay? Give it a try. So I moisturized my hair with the Dark & Lovely Total Moisture, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Total Repair 5. And then I sealed it with the Dark & Lovely Hair Food as well, giving you guys a full Dark & Lovely wash day from start to finish. I braided my hair backwards, that you'll see towards the end, because I wanted to do a twist out towards the end of the day. Just like that, guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you guys for coming to watch my wash day. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with these products. If you have these products, let me know. If you'd like to try them, let me know. If you need a review, now you got a review. See you guys again in my next video. Bye, loves.